we teach above and beyond skills that a firefighter in the Commonwealth of Mass could use to be proficient in rope rescue. So today is our rope trailer rehab day, which we do annually, and we take all the ropes where a student would be committed to gravity and we replace them. And some people say it's a little bit much or extreme, not really, but a lot of students have gone through this, 24 students per class, over 8 classes per year. So there's a lot of wear and tear on that primary rope that they hang. Here, somebody could fall 70 or 80 feet if the rope's not taken care of. If there's one thing that the instructors miss, the students miss, such as abrasion on the rope, head protection, whatever the case may be. Also, we're introducing a ton of new equipment, which will be commensurate with what technical rescue teams and fire departments are currently using throughout the state for rope rescue and rope access rescues for people such as window washers, hikers, people off the side of the cliff, and stuff like that.